What is the world's biggest continent by area? A. Africa. B. Asia. C. North America. D. Europe. Answer. B. Asia. What is the world's largest country by land area? A. China. B. United States. C. Russia. D. Canada. Answer. C. Russia. What is the world's largest ocean? A. Atlantic Ocean. B. Pacific Ocean. C. Indian Ocean. D. Southern Ocean. Answer. B. Pacific Ocean. Which is the world's largest desert? A. Sahara. B. Arabian. C. Gobi. D. Antarctic Desert. Answer. D. Antarctic Desert. What is the world's largest city by population? A. Beijing. B. Tokyo. C. New York City. D. Delhi. Answer. B. Tokyo. What is the world's largest island? A. Madagascar. B. Greenland. C. New Guinea. D. Borneo. Answer. B. Greenland. Which country has the world's largest population? A. India. B. United States. C. China. D. Indonesia. Answer. C. China. What is the world's highest mountain? A. K2. B. Mount Kilimanjaro. C. Mount Everest. D. Mount Fuji. Answer. C. Mount Everest. What is the world's largest animal? A. African elephant. B. Blue whale. C. Great white shark. D. Giraffe. Answer. B. Blue whale. What is the world's largest tree by volume? A. The redwood. B. General Sherman. C. The baobab. D. The giant sequoia. Answer. B. General Sherman. What is the world's largest building by floor area? A. Burj Khalifa. B. Pentagon. C. New Century Global Center. D. Taipei 101. Answer. C. New Century Global Center. What is the world's longest river by discharge volume? A. Nile River. B. Mississippi River. C. Yangtze River. D. Amazon River. Answer. D. Amazon River. What is the world's largest lake by surface area? A. Lake Superior. B. Lake Victoria. C. Caspian Sea. D. Lake Baikal. Answer. C. Caspian Sea. What is the world's largest volcano? A. Mount Vesuvius. B. Mount Etna. C. Mauna Loa. D. Mount St. Helens. Answer. C. Mauna Loa. What is the world's largest hot desert? A. Atacama Desert. B. Kalahari Desert. C. Sonoran Desert. D. Sahara Desert. Answer. D. Sahara Desert. What is the world's largest stadium by capacity? A. Camp Nou. B. Ringrado 1st of May Stadium. C. Melbourne Cricket Ground. D. Rose Bowl. Answer. B. Ringrado 1st of May Stadium. What is the world's largest airport by area? A. Dubai International Airport. B. Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport. C. King Fahd International Airport. D. Beijing Capital International Airport. Answer. C. King Fahd International Airport. What is the world's largest building by volume? A. Great Wall of China. B. The Pentagon. C. Boeing Everett Factory. D. Burj Khalifa. Answer. C. Boeing Everett Factory. What is the world's largest shopping mall? A. Mall of America. B. The Dubai Mall. C. West Edmonton Mall. D. SM Mall of Asia. Answer. B. The Dubai Mall. What is the world's longest river by length? A. Yangtze River. B. Mississippi Missouri River. C. Amazon River. D. Nile River. Answer. D. Nile River. Do like, share and subscribe for more.